You mentioned that it was a kind of revenge when the COVID-19 pandemic before us, right? How did you come to know about that it was nature that was revenging on the human beings? And how do we measure that it was the right time for this nature to revenge on us? Why? Because as I am informed, animal experiments began a long time ago. It is not something that just began yesterday. So why did this happen those few years back? And why was it only in 2019 that it had to happen?
Okay, thanks for your question. First of all, that it is the morality and we can say the ethics that we get to know will have a revenge. If we'll make a disbalance in the nature, if we'll exploit the living creatures, because the human beings and the animals both are the part of nature and we have to treat them lightly. There should be not any exploitation there on that side. If we can't do such survey, if we can't do that experiment on human beings, then how we can go for animals? Because they are useless. We are just benefiting them. But it is not the right way. If they are useless, then we should have not to exploit them. And it our ethics and morality says that if we make a disbalance in our nature, then of course the nature will revenge from us. And in the same way, it is doing, as we can see the COVID-19 pandemic.
I am very certain that this is just a mere belief that you have that we had revenge, nature had revenge on us, because it is not proven anywhere that nature came to revenge on us in the COVID-19 pandemic, right?
So moral things are not experimented anywhere, they are just having their belief. We should have to believe. We just believe in God, but there is no such experiment on it.
We should refrain ourselves from giving that kind of statement. Like COVID is a result of a revenge from nature. So I don't think that is something that we should be.
Ma'am, as a topic is like it should be revolved around ethics, morality. So I'm just saying that thing, that it should be like that. Because if we believe in like we believe in God, then there is no such experiment that there is such a spiritual thing is going on. So we just have a belief in ourselves, in our soul now.
So that is also not ethical, and there should be some sort of revenge from nature.
Like how ma'am,
Like one animal kills other.
So the spirituality lies in human beings first of all, and this is the only a particular belief of a person. If whether the person goes with which direction, if he is if he meant to with God or not. So these things just depend on the person to person how it treats like that. But it is unethical fundamentally according to me. It is unethical.
If a tiger is killing a deer, it is unethical.
If a tiger is killing a deer, it is sorry, ma'am, can you repeat?
There is a food chain where one animal, so there is a hierarchy in the food chain. So when we are talking about for survival, one animal kills the other.
So we are we are talking about the experiment on animals. So we human beings are doing the experiment of animals. They haven't do anything with the animal to animal combination. So this is the food chain and this is the sustainability. How our ecological balance is just having in our nature.
I have a question. Hi, Karen. My name is Saurabh Gate. I have a question for you. You have mentioned in your speech that we have human rights, but we don't have animal rights. But according to the Indian Constitution, Article 48A, it says that it is the obligation of state to protect the wildlife. So don't you think so? That is an animal right that exists in the Indian Constitution.
If it is the animal, it is the animal right. But if they are useless, do human beings ask them, are you consented towards it? Are you consented to do experiment? We don't ask because they are useless and we are exploiting them in such a way.
That is right, but we are protecting the animals. It has an animal right. We have it in the Constitution.
Okay, if we are protecting the animals, then why these slogans has become sustainability, endangered species, extinction? Why these things are coming? If you guys are, if we are doing conservation, then why these slogans are coming?
But also on the other hand, the slogans are coming that animals are ours, environment is ours, save animals. But there are slogans on the other hand also.
There are slogans in
See,
this.
my main point was that animal rights do exist. That was my main point.
Animal rights do exist, but in what way?
But it is in the Indian Constitution. The Constitution is guaranteeing the animal rights.
It is guaranteeing the rights, the animal rights, but it is totally unethical to do like that, to do exploitation. We don't do on human beings, then how we can do on animals? We don't take any consent.
Okay, I'm done with my question. Thank you very much.
Well,